Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by the various strains of mycobacteria, usually the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. TB typically attacks the lungs but can also affect the other parts of the body. Treatment with appropriate antibiotics kill the bacteria and allow healing to take place. But the multiple drug-resistant TB, extensively drug-resistant TB, and totally drug-resistant TB were detected in many cases. In case of MDR TB, the treatment with at least 4 effective antibiotics is required for 18 to 24 months, whereas XDR TB and TDR TB are resistant to currently used different classes of drugs. This clearly indicated that there is need to improve the treatment of TB by either enhancing the application of existing drugs or introducing the new drugs. Potential new agents should reduce treatment duration, should have acceptable tolerability profile, and should be active against all type of resistant TB. The discovery of aminoglycosides like streptomycin in 1944 provided the first effective treatment for tuberculosis. Ever since then, a battle between bacteria and aminoglycosides was seen, which was won by the TB bacteria. During protein synthesis, the ribosome catalyzes the sequential addition of amino acids to growing polypeptide chain using mRNA as a template and tRNA as a substrate. Correct base pairing between the codon on mRNA and those of anticodon of cognate tRNA detects the sequence of polypeptide chain. Aminoglycosides thus inhibit the above process by attacking the 30S ribosome subunit and binding to 16S rRNA, where they corrupting the proper pairing of codon and anticodon and thus inhibit the protein synthesis in TB bacteria. But in turn, TB bacteria have developed many different ways to protect themselves from attack by aminoglycosides and other antibiotics. These include the molecular method like control of entry of the drug into the cell through the alteration of outer membrane permeability or increased excretion by an efflux pump system, the modification of antibiotics by specific enzyme, the modification of the target by mutation in the ribosomal proteins or in 16S rRNA. In case of aminoglycoside sensitive bacteria like TB, develop the new enzyme ribosomal RNA methyltransferase B. This enzyme uses S-adenosylmethionine as cofactor for methylation of N7 position of guanine base at 1405 position in 16S rRNA. So what exactly changes happen in 16S rRNA in 30S ribosomal subunit after the methylation of guanine base at 1405 position? This is the targeted site region of aminoglycoside in 30S ribosomal subunit, showing the guanine base at 1405 position. Early, where the guanine base at 1405 position is unmethylated, the aminoglycoside bind this way at chain A of 30S ribosomal subunit and inhibit the protein synthesis in TB enzyme. But after methylation of guanine base at 1405 position by newly developed RMTB enzyme, it reduces the size of binding pocket and making it a bit too small for binding of aminoglycoside. Thus, the inhibition of activity of this RMTB enzyme is an important challenge for the development of new effective therapy for tuberculosis. Therefore, there is a need to develop the potential inhibitors against this RMTB enzyme, which could be used to restore the activity of aminoglycosides against tuberculosis.